Hi, welcome to the Aspirants Time, a platform where we discuss civil services preparational strategies, inspiring and motivating stories, and the burning questions that aspirants have in their mind. So let's find out today's questions. Question for the Aspirants Time was posted by Mr. Ankur from Allahabad, because we were having a discussion forum. So luckily a lot of questions came up, and one of the questions interested me. So thanks Ankur for this question, and I'm sure a lot of people listening to this will have the same question in your mind. And the question was, I'm a civil service aspirant and I'm really ambitious to qualify the examination, but I'm not able to push myself out of the comfort zone. So the question was, how to take yourself out of the comfort zone. So coming out of the comfort zone is not an easy task. So I think when you ask for a medicine, how can you do it? How can you achieve in this? I think I've got a small illustration to tell you. And I would say that visualization is the biggest medicine. So I'll give you a small example. Imagine that you're talking to an athlete, because I've talked to a lot of sports persons, and imagine that, take an example of Neeraj Chopra, who has won the gold medal. That's a great achievement in life, because for an Indian to achieve such a great feat, it is commendable. So just imagine what would have been going through Neeraj Chopra's mind years back. Definitely that is the power of visualization. Maybe he would have had a lot of friends in his life. Everybody has friends. He must have had different type of friends who have different ambitions in life. But maybe this person was very much focused on what he wanted in his life. That is what I said. That is the power of visualization. He wanted to have something in his life, and he was very clear on that I want to get a gold medal in the Olympics, and I'm sure about that. So that visualization of seeing himself winning that gold medal at the Olympics was a great thing which must have kept him going. And I would say that is the power of the dream. Dream is that element, if injected properly, will take you to that level. So every day he must work out. Every day people work out, and maybe after 10 days workout, you don't feel like working. So that time, I think that power of visualization to see yourself in that position, the power of the dreams to see yourself in that role, I think that will give you that extra energy to work. And when taking into the question of civil services, definitely you know that you need to work a lot. You have a long journey, because when you talk about civil services, definitely you'll have a long journey. The roads are very long. So in order to reach there, maybe you'll have to travel, you'll have to study, you'll have to prepare, study NCERTs, read notes, read newspapers, read a lot of current affairs, equip yourself, write answers, solve questions. So it can be many things. And you know that only if you do all these things, you will reach that destination. So at some point of time, when you start doing it, you get bored. People lose patience. And that is a time when you go back to your comfort zone. So my only thing is, as civil services aspirants, visualize yourself. Visualize yourself as that person. Imagine yourself as an IAS officer or an IPS officer or an IFS officer. In the line of duty, you're doing your task. Visualize that, because that is a dream which you're seeing right now, because you want to be that. Imagine yourself taking a responsibility. That will give you a connection and make you connected to your bigger dream. So I think rather than finding an answer to this question, how do you push yourself out of the comfort zone? I think it's not it's a state of mind. You don't have any other medicines to artificially do that. It's actually a state of mind that you have to have in your mind, and that thing which will help you is the power of visualization. Imagine and see that bigger dream every day, and then work for it. So even after some time, when you lose your patience, visualize and dream, you'll again have a patience reloaded. So that patience reloaded is the key element. So all aspirants who believe in this concept and who have this problem, get out of the cushion of your life, get out of the comfort line, because ultimately your visualization will take you to your destination of becoming a civil servant. So I think all of you will try this out. So visualize.